Oke, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back again with me, Arudisa Ismail, in English project. Today, my English project is about Pecha presentation about Britain. Okay, next. So first, country introduction. So Britain is often referred to as the island of Great Britain, comprising England, Scotland, and Wales. It's known for its rich culture, heritage, historic monarchy, global influence, and others. Okay, next for the overview about Britain. So Great Britain is the largest island of the British Isles, bordered by the Atlantic Ocean, the North Sea, and the eh, the English Channel and the Irish Sea. It consists of three countries: England in the south and center, Scotland in the north, and Wales in the west. And London itself is located in England. Okay, next, the national emblem of UK. So the national emblem of UK, United Kingdom, is known as the royal coat of arms of the United Kingdom. It used by British monarchs or British monarchy and represent the authority of the crown. Next, this is the UK government order. So UK government order or the UK has a constitutional monarchy and the parliamentary democracy. So this means that country is headed by monarchs, but the power they make and pass laws lies with an elected parliament. So the king of UK right now is the current monarch of 2025 is King Charles III. Next, the history of Britain. So Britain has a long and influential history, beginning with ancient Celtics, tribes, and Roman occupation. It later saw the Anglo-Saxon, Viking invasion, and the Norman conquest in 1066. Over the centuries, Britain became a global power, building an empire that once covered a quarter of the world's lands. The monarchy evolved into a constitutional system, and political events such as the Industrial Revolution, World Wars, and the creation of the modern welfare states have shaped British society. Next, the currency used in UK. So the currency that used in UK is pound sterling. ISO code is GBP is the currency of the United Kingdom and 9 of its associate territories. And the pound sign is like A, this. Okay, next is the British culture and food. So the British culture in Britain has made a significant contribution to literature like music and the arts, producing figures such as Shakespeare's, the Beatles, and J.K. Rowling. And next is the UK breakfast. So this is one of the famous food in UK, and usually people UK call it the UK breakfast, but a lot of people call it no, in English they call it full English breakfast, as known as UK breakfast. And this is a traditional English morning meal for famous for its hearty and complete portion. Like the typical plate include like fried eggs, bacon, sausage, baked beans, grilled tomatoes, salted mushrooms, toast, and additional items like hash browns or fried bread. Next is tourism in Britain. So tourism in Britain, so many historical landmarks and iconic things like Tower of London, Buckingham Place, and the British Museum. And also the Big Ben is the most iconic of the UK. Next, education in Britain. So there is an education in UK. So like top university in the world, top 10, that is Oxford and Cambridge, and famous for their stories and academic excellence. And this what is that? Universities is really good, and they have a great opportunities for the student, but for registering to this place is not easy also. Okay, next is famous thing in Britain. Seems like before, like there is Big Ben and the universities like Oxford and Cambridge. Next, sport in England. So sport in Great Britain is there is football, most popular sport in the world, rugby, cricket, tennis, and Formula One also is the fastest sport in the world, and the most expensive sport in the world is from UK or Great Britain also. Next, the famous movies in UK, or yes, and this movie is called James Bond, and this movie is taking the theme is action, and this movie is seems like uh, what is that, Mission Impossible or John Wick. It's really same. They are doing some mission and they have to finish it. And there is a famous actor that really iconic of the James Bond movie or 007 is the Daniel Craig. Next, the famous person in UK. So we have some famous person in UK. First is Ed Sheeran. So Ed Sheeran is the top singer that already famous in the world, also in Indonesia. Of they song "Thinking Out Loud." Um, there is so many again, and then these people in the middle, he called Daniel Craig. So Daniel Craig is an actor from UK that really famous, and he also being the actor in uh, James Bond. Okay, last is Lewis Hamilton. So Lewis Hamilton is the top actor also. No, the top people or famous people person in UK, because he only the people that from UK that achieving 7 times world champion at Formula One sport, and he already get named by the government of UK that Sir. So Lewis Hamilton is called Sir, or usually people call it GOAT. GOAT. Next is a fragrance brand from UK. So this is the top brand from UK. The name is Jo Malone. So this smells perfume is iconic, and this perfume is smells like the old money, and you will be smells like a man, or you have like really have high values when using this brand. Next is British Daily Transportation. So the daily transportation in UK is red double decker, black cabs, and also the tubes or train in UK. Next is the British weather and season. So they have four. First is springs, summer, autumn, and uh, fitter color temperatures, falling leaves, and often more rain while winter, like December to February. Okay. Next is the top famous animal in UK. So they have some top animal from the UK. There is red squirrel, hedgehog, and this thing also I don't know the name. Okay, next the employment opportunities. So employment opportunities in UK is healthcare, technology, finance, education, and engineering. So this job is you can find it in London, Manchester, Edinburgh, and that three is the country and the city that you can find. Okay, next the interesting things in UK. So the interesting things in UK, there is racing of Silverstone circuit. So in Silverstone circuit there is MotoGP and Formula One race, like 1 year's one time. Okay, I think that's all from me for the Peshakusha presentation. Sorry if I have some mistake or wrong words. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.